In this video, I will introduce you a download manager that is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And the point is, this software is totally free, so you can use this software at no cost. Let's go. I search download FDM and open the original website. The FDM website automatically detects your operating system. So as you can see, I'm using Windows. It detects that I'm a Windows user. And in here, if I press on this download button, the download will be start. The FDM successfully downloaded and I press on setup.exe. Install for all users. Press on yes. English is the default language, I don't change it. Press on next, and install. The installation finished. Okay, the installation finished and I will see this shortcut, free download manager. I double click on it to see what's going on this software. That's it. If I drag and drop a URL into this app, okay, easy peasy. I can choose the destination, the file location that is going to be saved. And if I press on download, it will start downloading. As you can see, with a simple drag and drop of the download link, your download will start. Okay, so if you want to save it into another folder, you can choose it in here. And if you previously choose another place, it will be shown in here, so you can easily select that one and done. It has a scheduler, so if I enable it, I can set a date and set a time for it. So in that specific date and time, this download is going to be a start. So I don't want it and press on download. In here you'll see the download speed, okay, the remaining time and the status. When it's complete, it will show it like this one. In this box, you can search between the files you downloaded. As an example, if I type win, I will see this WinRAR file that I downloaded. So right now I don't see it. Download your files in another way. As an example, I click and copy the URL, copy the link, and in here I will paste it. Okay, easy peasy. So if I press on OK, this download will be a start. Okay, I can choose the location and press on download. It says that this file exists because that's the previous file that I have. So in here you can overwrite, you can abort and rename it. So I press on rename and the download will be a start for me. Right now we will see that I have 3 files in here. So I select these 2 files. If I want, I can delete them, remove them. And if I want, I can move these files into another location that I can say. So right now, as an example, I'm going to move all of them into documents. So if I press on move, these files, as you can see, they moved into the document file folder. So if I go to the document, I will see both files in there. That's a cool option, isn't it? For selection, you can easily press on this one, so all the files are going to be selected. You can choose download only, upload only, completed, and stopped. Okay, the files that didn't complete it. So that's a filter. Okay, all files active, completed, torrent, video, music. This is the filter option of this FDM. In here, we also have another option. You can sort these downloaded files into newest, into old, A to Z, Z to A, by size. Large file size are going to be set as top, like this one, and by a small, okay, this one has a small file size, so this one is going to be a top, but in most cases we set as newest. Let me tell you a cool hint. As you can see, I download these 3 files and I want to share the URL link, the download link of these files into another friend, or I don't know, I want to save them in a safe place, save them in a folder, something like this. So I click in here and in here I will see export and import. So if I press export all downloaded, okay, these 3 files are going to export. I will save them on the desktop. And in most cases, we shouldn't change this default format. But if you want, you can set it as list of URLs and CSV file. But I don't change it and I press on export. So we will have this file, okay, the file that we want to share with our friends. So right now, imagine that I'm your friend, okay, the person that received this file. So I click in here. Let me delete these options, delete these. So if you click on delete, it says that you need to delete file or you just simply want to remove the list. Okay, clear the list. In most cases, we clear the list. We don't want to delete the files that we downloaded. So I press on remove from list. And if you press on remember my choice, always it removes files from your list, not deleting the original files in this pass. Right now, I'm the friend that received this FDM download link. I click in here, go to export, import, and press on import downloads. Choose this file and done. Easy peasy. We can import the URL links. If you do a bunch of settings in your FDM to boost, I don't know, your internet speed, set a speed limiter, set a schedule, and these kind of things, you can again export the settings. Okay, that's the setting. So in the file name, I type setting and press on export. Easy peasy. Right now, I have my exported setting file. So if I want to import the setting, I press on import setting, choose this one, and the setting imported. Okay, let's talk about preferences. The theme is system. So I will change it into dark theme because I don't want the light one. And in here, UI style is new. If you want to, you can choose the classic version. If you want FDM launch at the startup, you can enable this one. If you don't like, you can disable this one. Easy peasy. And in here, for the default download folder, it says that choose default download folder automatically. So if you want to fix a download folder for this software, you can choose it. Okay, and done. All the downloads are going to be saved in the desktop because that's the default folder. I don't like it, no one like it, I think. In here, you'll see browser integration. So based on the browser that you have, right now I only have the Edge. So if I press on download Edge extension, the FDM extension will be added into my Edge. So when that happens, I can easily right click on the link and press on download. Right now, on my original system, I have IDM, but if you enable that extension, you see download with FDM instead of the IDM. Easy peasy. In here, if you want to add a proxy for your FDM, you can change it as a system proxy into manual one and choose the proxy that you want. Right now, in here, you'll see traffic limits. So you might ask a question why we have these three standards in here. It's because that our computer, our system is going to be connected into a server, okay, a download server to receive these files. If the download server allows us, I don't know, 200 connection as our high standard. So we'll continue this one. If that server only allow us to connect 50 times, our medium standard works. And this one is the lowest standard works. So the whole system is like this. It's based on the server that we want to download files for it. This part says that only 3 files at the same time is going to start downloaded. If you want to increase it, you can increase it into 4, 5, up to 7. It depends on you. So at the end part of this advanced option, you'll see delete button action, the thing that we previously talked about it. So as you can see, it's saved as remove only from download list. That's the recommended one. And just this, if you want to reset the settings into default, you can easily press on this reset button. Easy peasy. I think IDM is much more better than the FDM, but the point is FDM is free, but IDM is a paid software. But if you installed IDM and you want to know how you can work with IDM and understand the cool options of the IDM, check this video. There's a full tutorial of how you can use IDM. See you at the next one.